Hello everyone, my name is Pavan and welcome back to the Backend Development series. So in last video, we have learned about the JDK, what are the different blocks of JDK and the different building blocks of any Java program. So now in this video, we are going to learn the Java keywords and variables in Java. So to identify anything, we give some name to that, right? So suppose I have to identify the class. So I'll give the name as a class, right? Package. So this is a name package. So that this will be an identifier for the package. So in Java, there are a few rules to give name to anything. Okay, let's put the rules first. So first rule is any name in Java should start with letter or underscore. First rule we are having. We cannot start the name in Java without this. Either it will be a letter or underscore. Now entirely any name in Java should consist of either letter, underscore or digit. So these are the only combination we used to name anything in Java. Okay. Now third rule we are having, we cannot use space. We cannot use space. Then again we are not allowed to use any special character. We cannot use symbol or any special char. So these are the different rules, or we can say the naming convention in the Java. Now let's do one program to understand this. Suppose I'm having one variable as value. Understand? We'll discuss this. What is the variable and all? Value consists of only letters. Start letter and it started with letter, right? So rule one is valid. Letter underscore digit valid. We don't have any space and we cannot use. We haven't used any special char or symbol here. So this is the valid case, right? So if I print the value is, save it and run it, then we can see the output. The value is 5. So you understood the first rule, letter or underscore. Let's start this with underscore. It is working fine. You can check the output. You can see the value, right? So rule number one is, so we have understood the rule number one. We can start any name with letter. Now let's start with some digit. Now see here, you will getting an error. So we cannot use anything else than the letter or underscore. Now second rule, all letter underscore digit. Now let's use the special carry here. So I'm using dollar symbol or at the rate. Okay, so at the rate I'm using at the rate and remove the underscore. Now check. You will see the error here. Syntax error. Okay. So you are not allowed anything else than the underscore. I can use the underscore and digit here. It will be a valid case. So I can use the underscore and digit here. It will be a valid case. You can run the program and you can see the output. Okay. So this is also a valid case, right? So first rule, later underscore starting with. Second rule, letter underscore digit, nothing else than this. We cannot use the space. Now let's take on this rule number 3. Now let's take as initial value 1. Okay, and I'm giving the space. Here you are getting the error. Okay, cannot be resolved to a variable, right? Cannot be resolved to a variable, right? So you can see here we are not allowed to use space. Okay, and the special character we already seen, we have used the at the rate, will not work. Okay, so see here you will get the output of this. Now I hope you guys understood. We can start any name in Java with letter or underscore. I hope you guys understood. We can start the name in Java either with letter or underscore, or and we can use letter underscore and digit as a combination. Okay, we cannot use the space and we cannot use any special character. Okay, this is what the naming convention in Java. Now let's understood what is the variable. Okay, so suppose I have to store some value in the database, right? So suppose I have to store the 5, and the memory location should understood where we have stored all these values, right? So we can say the variable is nothing but a container to store any type of data. Now what type of data we are storing, that will be given by your data type. Okay, so here I have said integer, so it means that the initial value 1 will be the named location in a memory which will store data of type integer, and what is the value, value is 5. That is nothing but the variable. I hope you guys understood this concept of the naming convention and variable. Now, one most important thing. Now, here suppose I have given the variable name as a public. Can I do that? No, I can't. Why? Because these names are already reserved by the Java, okay, for specific purpose. So that's why these are known as keywords, and you cannot use keywords as a variable. Okay, so package is a keyword, then public is a keyword, class is a keyword, void is a keyword. So these keywords which are the reserved name by the Java, you cannot use in the variable name, right? So I hope you guys understood this concept, and that's it for the today's video, and thank you for watching this video.